Hey beach friends, I wanted to provide a final wrap-up of our little seashell auction because when you get a bunch of like-minded people pretty determined to make a positive impact, you know what happens? You make a positive impact. From a few horse conchs I found, to shark teeth and candles and jewelry and all the other amazing beach treasures that were donated, we were able to raise over $6,100. So to everybody who donated items, everybody who donated money, everybody who participated and bid and won on these amazing items, thank you. Thank you for doing this with me. Yes, I could have done this on my own, but having all of your help meant the world to me and it paid off big. I will likely very unceremoniously send a transfer over to the Fort Myers Beach PTO, but I wanted to let you know that this little project of mine has come to an end. But you know what? I'm going to do another one over the summer. I learned a little bit from this one, so maybe it will go a little smoother because if you regularly watch my channel, you know that I recently found a bunch of seahorses. So yes, some of them will be featured in a summer auction. So if there are items that you would like to donate, think about getting in touch with me and we can make some sort of arrangements. I'm not going to make this a regular thing, so this next one will be the last one I'm going to do for quite a while. So thank you again for being amazing. Thank you for coming on this journey of recovery and healing with me, and I'll see you out there on the beach.